already did that. I already did that. I already did that. I already did that.
Welcome back, Fly Vegans. Today we're going to be making a king cake. We're going to start by adding some warm milk and yeast into a glass. Then I'll add some sugar. The temperature of the almond milk that I'm using was 106 degrees. I made sure that it was below 110 so I won't kill the yeast. Make sure you mix the ingredients together and set them aside for 10 minutes. You know the yeast bloom properly when the mixture takes on a custard consistency. In a separate bowl, add the all-purpose flour. Then add sea salt and cinnamon. Mix the ingredients to make sure they are combined. Add the yeast mixture. Now I'm going to add some vanilla and some melted vegan butter. Stir the mixture until a dough starts to form. Once your dough starts to come together, then start to knead the dough with your hands. Knead the dough for about 2 minutes until the wet and dry is totally combined. Place the dough into another bowl. Cover it with a hot, wet towel. I'm going to sit this on my preheated stove for 90 minutes. On a floured surface, we're going to turn out the dough. And as you can see, the dough is now doubled in size. Now what you have to do is knead the dough for about 3 minutes. Using a rolling pin, roll the dough into a triangle. I want the dough to be about a 1/2 inch thick. After the dough is rolled into place, we're going to add some butter, vegan butter. Spread the butter over the top of the dough. Make sure the dough is completely covered. Sprinkle some cinnamon on top. The cinnamon will be followed up by some sugar. Starting at the widest end, I'm going to roll the dough tightly. After the roll is complete, take the log and form a circle by connecting the two ends. Place the prepared dough onto some parchment paper. Now place it in the oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. While the pastry is in the oven, we're going to make the icing. I'm using powdered sugar and almond milk. Place the powdered sugar into a bowl along with the milk and whisk it until it's smooth. Remove the pastry from the oven and let it cool for 10 minutes. Now all you need to do is spread the icing on top, the same way you would a bundt cake, letting the icing ooze off the sides. Before the icing sets, decorate the king cake with decorative sugars. I'm going to use purple, gold, and green. I'm simply alternating the colors in a stripe pattern.
Oh snap! We got a king cake in the house!
Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget
To subscribe!